Today for Letterland, we will be going over the passage and looking at the written response. We read yesterday a passage called Fitness Week. Please check now to make sure your vocabulary words matched what we have for the passage. Each student in our class reported on a book about healthy habits. We are learning how to take responsibility for our own healthy eating and exercise. There are so many fun ways to get fit. These are just a few of the possibilities. William, I read about muscles. People have the ability to build muscles without lifting weights. In fact, for kids our age, just playing hard and doing exercises like push-ups and sit-ups are the best way to get results. Those muscles would become visible over time. Ella, my book was about building endurance. Endurance means how long you can run or play a sport without getting too tired. You can build your endurance by running a little further every week. The results are predictable. You will be able to run further than you ever thought possible because people are adaptable. Avery, the funny thing title of my book was Yoga, It's Not a Cartoon Bear. I read about how yoga helps you relax and become more flexible. It is a very gentle and manageable way to exercise. You don't need special equipment. You can do it almost anywhere. James, some kids I know think vegetables are horrible, but I love veggies. I read about how to tackle the problem of not liking vegetables. Try different kinds of vegetables, fixed different ways. Try eating them first when you are really hungry. It's possible that you will find some veggies you really like. For today, we'll be looking at the context clues and then the write about it. We're going to look at the context clues and talk about the meaning of the words in bold. Sarah, I read about exercise for people with disabilities. People in wheelchairs, for example, have the capability of doing exercises that help build strength, endurance, and flexibility. Well, my key words that I see here is have. The capability of doing exercises. So when somebody has the capability, they're able to do the exercises. So capabilities like being able to do it. And they're building strength, endurance, and flexibility. It is important that gyms have wheelchairs, ramps, and wide doors so that fitness equipment has accessibility for everyone. So accessibility, from the context clues, what could I figure out the meaning of it? Well, wheelchair ramps, wide doors, everyone. So when everyone has the accessibility, they're able to do it. So it's accessible to them. So people that are in wheelchairs, if they have ramps and wide doors, they're able to get to the equipment as well. Go now into the virtual classroom and write about your ideas of being healthy. Include details on how to become more healthy. Here's a sentence starter that might help you. You can become more healthy by blank. You also can become more healthy by blank. Finally, you can become more healthy by blank. Go ahead now and do this in the virtual classroom.